Hey guys, this is Murder05 and I'm going to show you my new Lego gumball machine. It has 2 coin slots but only 1 option, so I tried to do 2 options but I didn't have any other candies, so yeah. You need quarters, but if someone tried to use a dime, it would fall in. Same thing with the penny, falls in. Nickel, falls in also. So, then you take your quarter, push it in, take this little key, push it in, but nothing comes out. So you turn to this side, and then there's this lever here that is popped out. So then you just pull it until you hear a sound, and then push. And then you get your gumball. Same thing with the other side. Put your quarter in, take the key, push it in. Well, yeah, it gets stuck sometimes. Then you pull, push. It got stuck. Okay. So then to reload, take this part off, and then put either one in these holes. Yeah, wait, I have to show you the mechanism. So, the mechanism is really simple. So, quarter fell. Okay, so, when you put there's this Lego piece right here that's connected to the basket that will put the gumball here. So when you push it in, push your quarter in, it gets stuck and hits that lever, but doesn't really get pushed all the way. So you take the key, and when you push it, it pushes that lever, and which is connected to here. And when you pull, it falls into there. And when you push, it goes into this type of hole. But since you can't see it, yeah, it's dark. It's not dark outside, it's just morning. Yeah. And then it's like that. So now I'll show you the mold for this. So this is the mold. This is the mold for the gumball machine, and this is what is on it. And then it goes like that, and this tile is covering the hole so it won't fall out. Then when you pull, it falls into here, and then when you push, it pushes the gumball into this hole. So, yeah. To copy this mechanism, please give me credit in your description, and yeah, please comment. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to show you where you get your coins. By the way, okay, so you take the key again, and then push it into the hole there. And then you pull. Yeah, that's it. So please comment and subscribe.